Bluefin tuna, a magnificent creature of the ocean, is not just a marvel to behold in its natural habitat, but also a cornerstone of gourmet cuisine. Reigns supreme in the culinary world, bluefin tuna is celebrated for its versatility and exquisite taste. Prized for its rich, buttery flavor and melt-in-your-mouth texture, it is a favorite among top chefs and discerning food lovers. It's a delicacy sought after by chefs and food connoisseurs globally, who appreciate its unique qualities and culinary potential. From the bustling fish markets of Japan, where the freshest catches are auctioned at premium prices, to Michelin-starred restaurants across the globe, bluefin tuna is a symbol of luxury and culinary excellence. Bluefin tuna enjoys a celebrated status, often being the highlight of exclusive menus and gourmet dishes. Often referred to as the wagyu of the sea, its deep red flesh, delicately marbled with fat, is a testament to its superior quality. Its deep red flesh, delicately marbled with fat, speaks to its superior quality and promises an unparalleled dining experience. Whether enjoyed as sushi, sashimi, or seared to perfection, bluefin tuna offers a culinary experience like no other. Bluefin tuna is a testament to the ocean's bounty and a true culinary treasure, embodying the essence of the sea in every bite. Its journey from the ocean to the plate is a story of tradition, skill, and an unwavering commitment to quality. Cutting a bluefin tuna is not for the faint of heart. This process requires not only physical strength, but also a deep understanding of the fish's anatomy. Each cut must be deliberate and precise to ensure the best quality of meat is obtained. It's a task that demands precision, skill, and the right tools. Without the proper equipment, even the most experienced chef can struggle. The tools you choose can make or break the entire process. First and foremost, safety is paramount. Before you even pick up a knife, make sure you are wearing the appropriate safety gear. This includes gloves that can protect your hands from accidental cuts and provide a better grip on slippery fish. A sharp knife is a safe knife, so ensure your blade is honed to perfection. Dull knives require more force to cut, increasing the risk of slipping and causing injury. Regularly sharpening your knife will make your work more efficient and safer. A sturdy cutting board provides a stable surface, preventing slips and ensuring clean cuts. The size of the cutting board should be large enough to accommodate the entire fish, giving you ample space to work. Long, flexible filleting knives are essential for navigating the tuna's contours. These knives allow you to make precise cuts along the bones, maximizing the yield of usable meat, while a heavier cleaver comes in handy for separating larger sections. The cleaver's weight and sharp edge make it ideal for cutting through thicker parts of the fish, such as the head and tail. Gloves protect your hands and maintain hygiene. They also help in handling the fish more securely, reducing the risk of accidents. Remember, a well-prepared chef is a safe chef, and this translates into a superior product for your discerning diners. Taking the time to prepare properly ensures that the end result is not only safe to eat, but also of the highest quality. Breaking down a giant bluefin tuna is an art form in itself. The initial incision sets the stage for the entire process. Start by removing the head, carefully cutting just behind the gills. Next, locate the backbone and run your knife along its length, separating the fish into two long halves. Remove the belly section, often considered the most prized cut. This fatty, flavorful part is ideal for otoro sushi or sashimi. With each cut, be mindful of the grain and strive for clean, precise movements. This ensures the integrity of the meat and minimizes waste. Section 4, portion perfect, from large cuts to restaurant-ready pieces. Once the tuna is broken down into manageable sections, it's time to portion them into restaurant-ready pieces. This process requires precision and skill, as each piece must meet the high standards expected in fine dining establishments. The chef carefully examines each section, ensuring that the cuts are even and the texture is perfect. The loins, located along the back of the fish, are prized for their lean, meaty texture and are often sliced into steaks or used for sashimi. These cuts are particularly valued for their versatility and rich flavor, making them a favorite in many high-end restaurants. The chef's expertise ensures that each loin is cut to perfection, whether it's destined for a sizzling grill or a delicate sashimi platter. The belly, as mentioned earlier, is sliced thinly for otoro. This part of the tuna is known for its high fat content, which gives it a melt-in-the-mouth quality that is highly sought after. The chef's knife glides through the belly with ease, creating thin, delicate slices that are perfect for sushi or sashimi. Each slice of a toro is a testament to the chef's skill and the quality of the tuna. The chutoro, found between the loin and the belly, offers a balance of flavor and fattiness, perfect for sushi or lightly seared dishes. This cut is often considered the best of both worlds, combining the rich taste of the belly with the firm texture of the loin. The chef's careful preparation ensures that each piece of chutoro is ready to be transformed into a culinary masterpiece. Each cut requires a specific approach and thickness tailored to its intended use. The chef's knowledge and experience play a crucial role in determining the best way to cut each section of the tuna. Whether it's for grilling, searing, or serving raw, the chef ensures that every piece is prepared to enhance its natural flavors and textures, making each dish a true delight for the senses. Section 5. Quality control. Maintaining freshness and presentation. Maintaining the quality and presentation of bluefin tuna is crucial. Once cut, the flesh should be kept chilled on a bed of ice to preserve its freshness. Proper storage is key to preventing oxidation and maintaining the tuna's vibrant color. When plating, attention to detail is essential. Each slice should be carefully arranged, showcasing the tuna's natural beauty and marbling. A sprinkle of sea salt, a drizzle of olive oil, or a few sprigs of fresh herbs can elevate the presentation, transforming a simple dish into a work of art. Section 6. Precision, the key to unlocking flavor. Precision is paramount when cutting bluefin tuna. Every slice, every angle can influence the flavor and texture of the final product. A skilled chef understands the anatomy of the fish, knowing where to cut to maximize yield and minimize waste. They recognize the importance of sharp knives and clean cuts, ensuring each piece is free of ragged edges. The thickness of each slice is crucial, as it affects the tuna's tenderness and how it melts in your mouth. Section 7. Respecting tradition. Honoring the art of tuna cutting. Cutting bluefin. Tuna is more than just a culinary skill, it's an art form steeped in tradition. For centuries, fishermen and chefs have honed their techniques, passing down knowledge from generation to generation. Respecting these traditions means understanding the value of this prized fish and treating it with the reverence it deserves. It's about using sustainable fishing practices, minimizing waste, and honoring the legacy of those who came before us.